I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact build the Shutoko revival mod expects, because mismatched versions cause immediate crashes. Once done, back up your save files and any altered configs so you can revert quickly. Next, install required runtimes, Visual C++ Redistributable, DirectX, and Net. This resolves most missing DLL errors. Make sure antivirus isn't quarantining mod files. If it is, add an exclusion. These first actions eliminate common environmental causes and prepare you for deeper troubleshooting. You now perform the core install. Extract files exactly as the README specifies, because misplaced assets or wrong directory levels will crash during load. Use the mod loader version the author recommends. Loaders differ in hook points and can break compatibility. Once installed, apply compatibility fixes such as adjusting texture LODs, enabling large address awareness or custom memory allocators if the game hits memory limits. If animations or physics fail, recheck ASI loaders and plug-in order. You finish by testing a clean profile to ensure the base mod works alone. If it does, progressively add other mods to find conflicts. Make sure to collect logs, game console output, crash dumps, and mod loader logs. These show the failing module and call stack. If crashes persist, restore your backup to return to a stable state, then prepare a concise bug report including steps to reproduce, logs, and system specs. One key tip: run one change at a time so you can pinpoint what introduced the crash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.